Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken Pro. First, you will need to set up and verify your Kraken Pro account. This process typically involves providing some personal information and completing identity verification. Once your account is active, make sure to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an essential layer of security, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. After these initial steps, you are ready to fund your account and start trading. Now that your account is secure, it's time to deposit funds. Kraken Pro offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers and stablecoin deposits. Select the option that best suits your needs and follow the clear step-by-step instructions provided on the platform. Be sure to double-check all details, especially for bank transfers, to ensure a smooth transaction. Once completed, confirm that your funds have successfully appeared in your Kraken Pro wallet before proceeding. With funds in your account, you are ready to place your Bitcoin order. Navigate to the trading interface and select the BTC/USD trading pair. You'll then choose your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the amount of USD you wish to spend. Review your order details carefully before confirming the purchase. After acquiring Bitcoin, securing your investment is paramount. For long-term holdings, consider withdrawing your Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet, which offers superior security compared to keeping it on an exchange. Always monitor your Kraken Pro account activity for any suspicious transactions or login attempts. Staying vigilant is key to protecting your digital assets. For more insights on financial growth, check the description for a link to a recommended book and other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.